Hi, let's talk about selecting the best cooking oil in terms of health benefits. And why are we talking about it? It's because whatever we consume is going to transform into the final essence in the body. And if this final essence is informed well, it is going to transform into armor or free radical, which in due course is going to manifest as a disease. So to check the occurrence of a disease, we have to prevent the formation of armor. And for that, it is highly essential that we follow good, healthy food practices. That is why we are here talking on health topics, and today's topic is about cooking oils. This is a very elaborate topic, so let's try to break it into small pieces. And for now, let's talk about the types of oil that is available in the market. Can anybody count the number of oils that is available in the market? It's a tedious process because people all across the world use different types of oil for cooking. If we take India into consideration, in the southernmost part, that is in Kerala, there is the use of coconut oil in almost all the dishes. In Andhra and in Rajasthan, there is the use of sesame oil. In Karnataka and in some parts of Maharashtra, there is the use of safflower oil. In Gujarat and in central India, there is the use of groundnut oil. In northeastern states, that is in Punjab, West Bengal, Jammu and Kashmir, there is the use of this mustard oil. And ghee and vanaspati is used in almost all parts of this country. Now, coming to the use of oils outside India, in other parts of the world, there is the use of canola oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, olive oil, avocado oil, other vegetable seed oils, and of course, animal fat is also used for cooking. Now, let's try to categorize these oils in terms of saturated and unsaturated fats and oils. The difference between a fat and oil is that both are lipids, and if a lipid is solid at room temperature, we call it as fat, and if the lipid is in liquid state at room temperature, we call it as an oil. We have two categories of these fats and oils. One is the visible one, other one is the invisible fats and oil category. What we are talking about, the cooking oils and what that is that we use as a fat or oil for cooking, that is the visible oil or fat. The invisible category comprises of nuts, oil seeds, egg yolk, and milk, and even meat. So, coming to the classification of visible fats, it is of two types, saturated and unsaturated. And the coconut oil comes under the saturated category. So is the case with vanaspati, ghee, and palm oil. That is also used all across the world, especially in India. Next is about olive oil. It comes under the category of monounsaturated fatty acids, and most of the vegetable oils can be grouped under the unsaturated oils. And the animal fat comes under the saturated oils. We'll talk more about the saturated and unsaturated and even trans fats, and we'll come to the conclusion we'll try to find out which is the best oil for use, and then we'll try to find out which is the best cooking oil, and then about some methods to enhance the benefits of an oil. So that is it for now. Thank you.